Okay, so people have actually been asking me to make a video on how to use this free course sites. So I decided to do it now. So after just quickly searching what you want, um, quickly searching the freecoursites.com. Let's just wait for my network. It's a bit slow. Okay, so what you have to do is when you get to the page like this, you see this search bar. You search the course you want. And one thing you have to do it is case sensitive, it is word sensitive, like it has to be the exact same thing. Like exact same thing as the one on Udemy that you want. Like a little difference of just a space will not make you see the search, see the course. Like will not make the search responsive. So you actually have to be the same to have the same name. But let me just use this. So and it works the same principle for all of them, like all of them. Let me use this one. So I actually entered this. After searching you'll see yours. But let's just say that's what I wanted. This is what I wanted. See, they're giving you everything, the whole details about it. The whole details about it. You just scroll down. Scroll down to this part where you see the size and the Google links. So when you scroll down to the part where you see the size and the Google links, it depends on your what do you call it? It depends on your course that you are doing. Some will have part one, part two, part three, part four, part five, part six, part seven, like as much. But so far this one is one part. And one thing you should know that it's each part is the same process. The same process you do for part one is the same process you do for part two. So I can open it here, but it will even take me to a new tab. So it takes you to a new tab, a different website, which is called the LIVR. Once you have to be very quick. Once it loads, click to verify. You have to be very quick. If not, it tends not to work. And you just have to restart it again, like going back to go and search. Like every time you want to click on this thing, once it's 0 seconds, click on it immediately. If not, you tend to actually it will just give you an irresponsive page or takes you to just this website without all these links for you to click on. So what you just do is you click on it immediately. And also if you experience something like that, what you should do is if you experience something like that, you should just reload your page. You should just go back from the beginning to where I picked download part one. If it's part two that you're doing, download part two, start again from it, and you're starting afresh. Okay, so back to this. I okay, yeah. I hope you followed through what I did. I think I did click to verify, then download, then something like maybe like show link or something. I don't know. So it brought me to this page. What you have to do is you have to click I'm not a robot. Then just normal capture. So once you're done, don't click this green, don't click any of them. Just click here to continue. Because those ones are just ads. So getting link 0 seconds, then you click get link, not download now or direct high speed. Still get link. So those ones are just bits for you to just click it. So it takes you to this page. Now, okay, I'm already logged in. So let me log out. Let me log out. Okay. Where are you? Where are you? Log out. No, I want you to log out, not sign in. I want you to log out. Okay. So if you were the one to do yours, this is where it's supposed to bring you to. Sure gets before me, my own brought me there to my already account. So first thing you have to do is you have to first click on login. You are getting to this page, you have to first click on login. So click on login. When you click on login, oh shit, what's wrong? That should be my network or what? Okay. So you pick which of the Google accounts you want to use. Any of the Google accounts you want to use, one thing you have to notice that you actually have to have the space required for that part on your Google account. You get my point? Like on your Google Drive, this your Google account has a Google Drive where you store stuff, 15 gig for the normal users, and when you actually subscribe for premium, then you can actually have higher. But my point is, this any of the Google accounts you want to use actually have to have that space that will contain the parts you want to download. If not, it will tell you insufficient space. So now, if I pick this, my first one, Adewoya Nolapo, I already have things on my Google Drive there. So it's definitely not going to work. I don't think I want to try that out because it's just going to be stress. But you get the point. The point is pick a Google account that you know that has space that will contain it. So I'm going with this Know Your Vehicle. So once you log in like this and you're already in this page, to tell you the amount of gig you have and the one that you've used. So you just back it, you back it, keep on backing it until you get to this page. So once you get to this page that shows this login download, just click on login download. So while we wait, it takes us to so it takes us to this page. Download here 2 gig. And once you get to this page, it takes you to a Google Drive where you just have to click download, and that's all. So it downloads automatically. I don't want to actually here. So down I've pressed itself. So it's too loud, blah blah blah. Then download anyway. So once you click on download, you start seeing it downloading. So I think that's all you have to know. And as I said earlier on, it works the same for all of them, for all the same method for all of them.